wish there was a quick and easy and organic way to take care of weeds. This is going to take me all day. Well, actually there is. Have you heard of the Organic Weedkiller slasher? Tell me more. Is it really organic? Yes, it's a registered organic herbicide and it kills weeds, moss, algae and even lichen. Thoroughly spray weeds. A slasher is a contact herbicide, so getting good coverage means you'll get the best results. So how does it work to actually kill the weeds? It's a non-selective contact weed killer, which means that it works by desiccating the foliage of any green plant that it touches within hours. Wow, that is fast. But do I need to take care when I'm spraying around my favourite plants, as spray drift might damage them? Yes, but you can spray right up to woody trunks and stems without causing any damage. What's it made of? Its active ingredient is made from GM-free plant oils, which won't build up nasty residues in the soil because it's 100% biodegradable within a few days. It does not contain glyphosate and it's a registered organic product for use on organic farms and gardens. Anything more I need to know? For example, how do I dilute it? For all the finer details, always read the label. Slasher sounds just like the product I'm looking for to make weed control easier. Thanks, Chloe. No worries. Anytime, Chloe.